So the Google Pixel Fold, let's talk about it. Well, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, that is. Let's talk about it. Because right now, if you try to order it off of Google's website, you're not going to get it anytime soon. And by soon, I mean the soonest you're going to be able to get it right now is going to be October 23rd to October 30th. Depending on where you're actually currently at. And that's only the black version of the 256 gigabyte variant. If you want the 512 gigabyte variant, you're going to have to wait till October 30th to November 6th. And if you want the porcelain color, well, you kind of crapped out of luck completely. Now, I did get a comment last video I talked about this. Someone said this is because AT&T is not selling the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and that's why the price tag, or why it's so out of stock places. But again, I would still assume that Google would expect this to be a very popular phone, especially with the Pixel 9 lineup being actually really freaking good. So I'm actually surprised that Google wasn't prepared for this, ready or expecting this. Kind of picking back off of that comment though, Best Buy is taking pre-orders and they claim that you can get this on release day. So as the phone comes out, you get it the same day, September 4th. I'm not sure how much they're gonna honor that if they get a lot of pre-orders. Eventually they might just end up saying, you know what, we're gonna have to delay your pre-order or something like that, because there's no way they're going to be able to do that. Amazon is completely out of stock right away. Amazon was actually out of stock of this phone, I think within, I want to say a day of it going up for pre-order. So Amazon's out of stock. Best Buy is claiming that they could still somehow do this. Yeah, it's kind of crazy to be honest, but it's also really not that surprising. It's a really good phone. So I'm wondering how Samsung's going to react to this. And why would Samsung react? Well, obviously, you know, if the Google Pixel Fold is really freaking good, or Pixel 9 Pro Fold, that means that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to have to really be amazing. It's going to have to really ramp up production and actually make some actual updates to the cell phone, or else they're going to kind of fall behind of Google here, because the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is actually looking really good. Now, I will have a video unboxing and review of this device on launch day on September 4th on this channel. So we will be unboxing this, looking at this, and seeing my first reaction and opinion of this. So we're going to just see how good this phone actually is, and also how does it compare to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But that's a video for the future. Shout out to Ben Schoon as always, and shout out to 9to5 Google for posting this article. Peace out, guys.